Hello guys, we are back with another boom videos. So today we are going talking about top cheap web hosting providers. Cheap, top cheap web hosting providers. So here are the top 10.com. This is the one of the top website in the Google search. So we are here opening this website. Top cheap hosting companies of 2023. Oh, number one is the Bluehost. The Bluehost is the best and the very best web hosting provider. Number two is the Hostanger. Number three is the HostGator. Number four is the GoDaddy. Number five is the Web.com. Number six is the DreamHost. Number seven is the A2 Hosting. Number eight is Network Solution. Number nine is Network Solution. No, no, only have eight. So we are going to try now this web Bluehost. The best web hosting free domain for the first year for free SSL certificate and included one click for first install, expert 24 on 7 hours support, secure, reliable hosting starting at 2.75 per month. So if you are buying a 1 year plan, then it will cost $2.75 per month. All plans included. So we are a little bit going to know about this website. Tools to grow domain manager SSL certificate, reliable performance Google My Business. So this is the top website hosting provider, and second it's Hostinger. Oh, up to 75% of hosting. Wow. Web hosting build for speed, free domain, free website merging, and 24/7 customer support. So here is the, if you are buying a 1 year plan, then it will take to $2.29 per month, even plus 2 month free. If you're buying a 1 year plan, and they are giving a 14-month plan. So this is the best deal if you are 30-day money back guarantee also they are giving if the web hosting provider is not working properly. There is a rating also 4.8 rating, 5 out 4.8 rating. This is the best rating. Host advice 4.5. This is also best. 4.7 web beginner. This is the best. Here are the plan. 3.99 per month for 100 website. Increase up to 5x performance, 200 GB NVMe storage. Daily backup $25.08 value. Nice managed WordPress. This is a no code website builder. They are also working in no code. So number two is also best. And number three is a HostGator. HostGator is giving starting only in 2.64 per month. So this is also uh, best web hosting provider. $100 Google AdWords. Wow, nice. So here is the plan, $2.64 per month. Here is the baby plan, $3.38 per month. E-commerce plan, $5.10 per month. So here are the different kind of category. If you are thinking about buy a best web hosting provider, then HostGator is the best website. hosting provider. Number four, number four. So number four is a web hosting with GoDaddy. So GoDaddy is also very good, but this is from India. So it's $245. No, sorry, 245 INR per month with 1 year package. If you pay 2914 rupees, total revenue at rupees 5388 rupees per year. So here is also economy, deluxe, ultimate. Three categories. This is also a very good website hosting providers. And number five is a dot web.com. So this is also giving a too many plans. Plans is as low as $2.75 per month. This is also very good. The basic is future 100 plus mobile optimized template, that is good. $2.75 per month, 3.95, and premium is 5.95. So this is also a good web hosting provider. Here are the top five. So top five best web hosting provider. But nowadays in 2023, the Bluehost is the best web hosting provider. So if you are thinking about buy a best website hosting provider at a cheap rate, so go for the Bluehost. This is a cheap best web hosting provider. So here are the top five best cheapest web hosting provider with lots of benefits. So we are done for now. We are back with new topic with another video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and like our video and share with your friends. So bye for now. We will meet you in next video.